Step 2. Thinking about privacy. Everyone has the right to privacy, including you. When you're filming, you can use a no-faces approach to cellphilming. This means showing your ideas in ways that keeps your identity more private. For example, you can film objects, shadows, hands or feet, drawing or cartoon, written signs, just like the clips in this video. This can help protect your privacy and the privacy of the people around you, like your household and community, even your dépanneur or a local business. They might not want to be identified in your cellphilm. Always ask permission before filming anybody else, even if it is your little brother or sister. If you really want to show someone in your video, and they also agree to being filmed, we will need their permission too. This is called third-party consent. We can talk. Thinking about confidentiality when filming, you have to decide, do you want your identity to be captured on video? Would you prefer to remain more anonymous? Or maybe something in between? These are important decisions to make before you plan what story you want to tell. In the next video, we'll get started planning your cellphilm.